Hey y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video for you. We are going to be going over the basics of tracing out artwork to create your own images in Silhouette Studio. Now, this is not a full cut tutorial, this is just how to use the trace feature, and it's a basic tracing. We're going to get more in depth into it, but I figured the basics are better to start with. Now, if you'll give me a moment to get the camera angle changed, I will show you everything that we are going to do today. Okay, so today we're going to go over how to use the trace feature in Silhouette Studio. So this is kind of a basic tutorial, nothing too in-depth, but what we're going to do first is I am on Microsoft Bing, and we are going to look for something to trace. So we're going to type in Valentine's Day coloring pages. There we go. Now we're going to go to images, and it pulls up a lot. So we want to change that to extra large. Extra, the bigger it is, the easier it is to trace. We're going to change the color to black and white only. Now let's see what we want to trace. That butterfly's cute. There's a ton of cute designs. But we're looking for something simple. Let's choose this heart. Okay. Now what we're going to do is click Save Picture As. And we're going to change this to Valentine Heart. And click Save. Now we're going to go to Silhouette Studio. We're going to go File, Open. We're going to click on our Valentine Heart. Click OK. Okay. So that is still pretty tiny. It was smaller than what I expected, but it's okay. It's nice and bold lines. So let's zoom in so we can see what we are working with. Okay, so there's our heart. Now we're going to go up here to Panels and click Trace Image. We're going to do Select Trace Area, and we're going to grab that design. Okay, so as you can see, it has pretty good lines, and you can either choose outline, which pretty much keeps just the outline of the image. So let's see. And we want to have nice strong lines, or you can choose solid fill. So I think we're going to choose solid fill, which that is just giving us nice bold lines to cut. Now we're going to click Trace. If we choose Trace Outer Edge, it is only going to do the outside portion, which if you're doing a print and cut, that's kind of what you need. So now there you go. So you can see now we have lines to send this to cut. And now it is a vector image. So we can change the size. We can change it to 10 inches wide. I forgot to lock in my aspect. You want to lock in this aspect, and that will change it both length and width, as you can see. So that is a pretty good and clean design, so we could just easily send that to cut. Now, hopefully that answers your questions over the basics of tracing with Silhouette Studio. But remember, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when we post new videos, which right now is every single weekday. So Monday through Friday, we're doing in-depth plus some just fun, easy craft things. Other than that, check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter. And I guess we'll see you on the next one. Bye.